In 2011, the successful relationship between Hero and Honda that produced the largest number of motorcycles in the world came to an end.
As a company, we had ambitions. As a company, Honda had its ambitions. Perhaps both of us felt that our ambitions cannot be met being part of joint venture.
So Hero spent $600 million to buy out Honda's shares and decided to go on its own.
Everyone was so positive. The amount of messages, congratulatory messages that we got all across, that yes, here's an Indian company who has bought over the stake of a Japanese partner.
I think the market was surprised because the gumption of an Indian company to be able to say that, oh, hang on, we don't need this, we can do this on our own, was something that people didn't see coming. I think the first question that all of us also had was that how are you going to untangle this? Over what time frame do you do that? Till what point do you have access to the Honda technology?
So we're very clear right up front that technology is a major gap.
Without Honda's technology backing, Hero started filling its gaps with its own research and development wing. Here, more than 40 engineers are designing and developing the next generation of Hero motorcycles.
Hero stands for quality, no doubt, durability, low fuel consumption or lowest fuel consumption in the market. It's amazing from my point of view what Hero really achieved the last 3.5 or 4 years after separation from Honda. It's really amazing.
Designers are busy working on the design of a new bike model.
First step in R&D is once you want to enter into a new market or work on a new bike for a kind of a new market, at first you have to understand the market requirements.
The designers take into account every condition the bike will be used in. Here, a designer is checking the comfort of the bike when used by people of different nationalities.
This is average Indian person. This is Japanese average person standing in front of Indian. If you see these dimensions of the Indian percentile and you see these dimensions for the Japanese percentile, you will see that both of them are different. For example, if I consider the height of this person, his legs length, his thighs length, his forearm length, his arm length and his hand length, all of these are going to be different. You can see that if this combination of seat, this handlebar and this footrest, is person feeling comfortable for that or not?
The designers will also customize each bike for the unique cultural needs of different markets.
These are how Indian women usually sit. The legs are to the side and this is a sari guard, so that the sari, if a woman is wearing sari or suit, it doesn't go into a tie.
But most importantly, each of these bikes have to be designed so they can be produced en masse.
The challenge is to get this bike designed in a way that it is suitable in the mass production. Let's say in the peak volume, throughout the year, Hero MotoCorp produces 25,000 bikes a day. If you just add another 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 seconds, then this means you lose 100, 200, 500 bikes. Getting the best out of it means really optimizing this mass production system.
Technology was our weakness, and that was the weakness that we wanted to work on.
The clear thought was that this gap would ultimately be filled by developing our own technology capabilities. But in the interim, we quickly needed to do something.